Every day, each of us is at risk of becoming infected with virus and infectious diseases. No matter where we are, at home or in a public place, we are constantly in contact with different surfaces where thousands of microbes are accumulated. Handrails, railings, elevator buttons, door handles, switches. Standard disinfection protects surfaces from germs for a short period, until a new person touches the cleaned area again. It is impossible to disinfect the contact areas non-stop. However, there is an innovative solution to this problem: antimicrobial film purity. It is a transparent polymeric coating with silver ions that destroy most types of microbes and viruses. The material is glued to all types of surfaces and immediately starts to work effectively. Silver ions distributed over the entire surface of the film in a homogeneous layer come into contact with bacteria, penetrate their membrane, and immediately block their vital activity and fermentative functions. The silver ions also cling to the spikes of viruses and prevent their joining to the cells of the organism. Research has proven that silver ions prevent the development of germs by 99.99%, kill up to 4.5 million microbes, protect surfaces 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, safe activity in a structure of the purity film for 5 years, ensure clean surfaces between disinfection procedures. The film is environmentally friendly and safe. Laboratory tests have shown the effectiveness of Purity Russia's film against such well-known bacterial stamps as Staphylococcus aureus, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella, Listeria, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Purity Russia's film is also effective against surface viruses, including COVID-19. 3 types of surfaces were tested for bacterial contamination. The duration of the experiment was 10 hours. Tested objects: door handles of WCs. A dynamic diagram shows the different level of bacteria reproduction on the 3 surfaces. According to the recommendations, contamination rate is 250 units. 800 units demonstrated the door handle without film and without additional sanitation measures. 450 units showed the door handle without film but with disinfection every 2 hours. 150 units showed a door handle covered with purity film. From these statistics, we can see that without sanitation, the index of harmful microorganisms on the surface is much higher than the norm, and the disinfection procedure every 2 hours helps for only a short period of time. The surface of the door handles covered with purity film was kept clean throughout the experiment. The number of germs here did not increase from the norm. Purity film has passed certification and laboratory tests. Conformity certificate of Hexis Company. Antimicrobial film Purity Russia has also been tested in accordance with the international standard ISO 21702, which revealed high efficiency of the film against COVID-19. Purity film is used both in the private segment and in public places with high stream of visitors. Medical and educational institutions, hospitals and polyclinics, dentistry, schools, universities, nursery schools, municipal and private public transport organizations, subway, airports, taxi, car sharing, shuttle buses, trains, planes, ships, food production and catering organizations, cafes, restaurants, canteens, rehabilitation facilities, petrol stations, beauty salons, barbershops, hairdressers, fitness centers, stores and supermarkets, self-service terminals and ATMs, hotels, casinos, shopping and entertainment centers, business centers, offices, salons of mobile telecommunications, organizations for receiving and issuing documents, banking and financial institutions, public places of law enforcement agencies. Together with other prophylactic measures, Purity film with silver ions is an effective universal tool against most types of microbes and viruses. Antimicrobial film significantly reduces the risk of infection with dangerous bacterial and viral diseases, including preventing the spread of COVID-19. There is no need to think about the constant disinfection of premises. The covered surfaces will be reliably protected for 5 years.